Hello, people. New microphone here and here. So now we are good. We're doing back today. I think we're starting from this position. Good, good. She gets so much muscle. This girl. I think she have losing 14 kilo, maybe 15, because she has so much muscle inside her body. Yeah. Very good. Goodbye.